Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sorkar Jilla haringkat ka jingetre lang bat ka Meghalaya Athletic Association ha ka sngi tho ding ka artrik ubanai jemang arhajar apun riu kalapan ha perdano ya ka limpung yele kai ka state level inter school athletic meet arhajar apun riu kabalapan long Hamadan Sai STC Shillong Nehu campus ha ka ba ka East Khasi Hills district layora ya ka nam champion Habakran hakane ka jing panha perda. Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs uba awailat miki shila ulai khuble ya kinong penyat kinong yelek kai bat kinong kitkam kibalala ban penyat bet ya renti ya kane ka limpung bat ulai ro ru ya kisamla kibaya shimbenta ha ka jing shithem bat ka jing long nong yelek kai ka jongki uba awailat ulapen paw ya ka jing kemen halor ka jing kiyo ka jing shimbenta kinong yelek kai na ka lengki district ha kane ka limpung But ong baka sorkar ka pentikna ba manla ka district kan donye ki sports infrastructure lani ki jingtay na kabenta ki jingile kai ki babiang banyarap ya ki samla yele kai ban pentebet bat pen I ya ki sap ka phong ki jongki ya kane ka limpung lapan kod da uba waila ni ki shila haringkat ki officer katanat yele kai ha ka jinge don lang u working president ka MSOA uba John F Khasi u director of sports and youth affairs u Didi Shira Assistant Director of Sports and Youth Affairs PB War Nongbri ki District Sports Officer Bad ki wei ki hai
At this very moment, I stand here to declare that this year state level inter-school athletic meet of 2026 declare closed.
Photo session for Dewa Imetre Shala of West Giant Hills to clear the height of 1.59 meters. Of 23.59 seconds and the gold hills with a timing of 23.29 seconds. The silver medals with a distance of 9.25 meters of West Giant Hills District who threw the shot put at a distance of 9.29 meters. The silver who threw at a distance of 23.20. Marak of North Garo Hills who threw the javelin at a distance of 25.6 seconds. Repoint this 2 minutes 09.60 seconds. Gold medal is backed by West 08.19 seconds and the athletes are Damewan Suyam Isnai Hussain, Ram Rumbai and Vincent Hira.
A big round of applause for the sports department and also the Meghalaya State Athletic Association. To all of you, my dear students and athletes, you are today standing there in front of us. You should be proud of yourself, because by standing here today, That means you have proven something. That you are a fighter, you are an athlete who are eager to bring laurels to your family, to your village, to your school, to your district, and I'm hopeful that you will bring laurels to your state and the country. So a big round of applause to all of you standing here today. Remember, my dear young friend, winning is temporary, but character, discipline, and sportsmanship, this will stay forever with you. Many of you might not have won a medal today. And I was so surprised and so satisfied to see that not like the other year, where we could see that East Khasi Hill used to dominate. But I'm very happy to see that some other districts also are start to come up. In spite of many challenges, we know, apart from the East Khasi Hill district here in the past, hardly we have any facility to offer to our students in other districts. But today, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, where in the past, every inter-school athletic meet used to be held in Shillong because of so many challenges, whether in infrastructure, facilities, and many other things. But today, I'm so happy to tell you that right now, we have the artificial athletic track, not only in Shillong, in Jen Stadium, but we have in Wayajer, in West Janjir district, we have in Tura. The construction already started in the East and West Mauparwat, in Riboy district, and in Bagmara. And it is our endeavor of the government to see that every district should have their own athletic artificial track. In order for you, students, to have a place, a proper place to practice, to showcase your talent. For many of you, I'll tell you, today you are standing here. I know that you have been well taken care. You have a good place to stay. You have a good place to participate. You have a good dress to wear. But please just ask your seniors. 5 years or 7 years from now, before, how was the condition? Where they used to stay? What kind of food they used to have? Where they hardly they can have a proper jersey to wear and participate.